Well, yes, since from the last budget to till date, the asset class performance has been divergent. If we look at the silver performance, then from the last budget to till date, silver has given a return of 188%, which has outperformed all other commodities and all the other India indices and the global indices, which is followed by gold, where gold has given a return of 64% from the last budget to till date and over the same period. And equity market has also seen a modest gain with Nifty 50 index was up 9.5% from the last budget to till date. And on the currency front, the rupees has appreciated by approximately 5%, while the US dollar has weakened 8.3%, and the commodities, however, has remained under pressure. Like the crude WTI was down 11.5% from the last budget to till date, and bond yield has also moved meaningfully. The US 10-year yield declined from 4.54% to 4.22% to till date, and a fall of 32 basis point in approximately last 1 year. And in contrast, the US 30-year yield has edged up from 4.79% to 4.83%, rising 4 basis point during the same period. So overall, silver has outperformed all other indices and all other asset class from the last budget to till date with a gain of 188%.